Yoga Morning Stretch. Hi, I'm Carl Bright, and this is Yoga with Soda. Thank you for tuning in. And this is a easy morning stretch and flow, just to get your body going, stretching and compressing your joints, and getting you ready for the day. So we'll start in a standing position, standing in the center of your mat in a mountain pose position. And your arms are out to the side, and we'll begin to rotate our wrists, kind of grabbing at the air. 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 2 or other way. 3, 4, 5. Now let's circle our shoulders forward, big circles. 1, 2. Toes are pressing into the mat. 3, legs are strong. 4, and rotate. 5. Going backward, opening up your chest. 1, 2, weight even in your toes and in your heels. 4, 1 more. 5. Excellent. Okay, in that mountain pose position again. Chest is lifted, shoulders are rolled back, feet are evenly placed, outside edges are pressed into the mat, and your legs are strong. Chin is level. Now gently just rock your head from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just easy, not too much stress on your neck. Just rock from left to right. 9, 10. Excellent. Taking your hands to your hips, and this time just circle your head. 3 big circles. 1, all the way back. 2, easy, slow. 3, good. Opposite direction. Excellent. 2, 1, 2, just easy. 3, excellent. Now, bend over, taking your hands towards your knees for a standing cat and cow position. Inhale, drop your belly, shoulders are back. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, round your spine. One more time. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, round. Excellent. Roll up one vertebrae at a time. Now spreading your legs wide, toes are turned out toward each corner of the room, sitting your body down in that goddess or God pose, tucking your tailbone, hands to the center in a prayer position, and just rock from left to right. 2, really working in to your hips. 3, excellent. Breathing. Excellent. 4, excellent. Excellent. 5, almost there. Gently rocking out from left to right. Excellent. Keep that tailbone tucked, shoulders back, lifting that chest up. Excellent. Release. Now turning your toes forward, stretching your arms out toward the sides. Now you're going to pop your hips out toward the left side and then reach toward your right. Excellent. 1. Pop your hips out toward the opposite way and then reach. Excellent. Switch your hips. Excellent. Feeling that light stretch on your inner thighs. Excellent. Drawing your belly in. Excellent. Chest slightly turned up toward the sky. Pressing your palm into your leg. Excellent. Release. Now turning your toes back out, squatting down again. Now this time, taking your left hand, reaching all the way toward the mat if possible, or your legs or your toes. Stretching out your right leg, turning your toes forward, and then reaching. Excellent. Turning your toes out again, drawing your hands forward, swinging your body around, straightening that left leg. Turn your toes forward and reach. Excellent. Inhale. Exhale. Excellent. Keep it going. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Getting that good deep squat, that good deep side stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Excellent. Now bring your body back to the center. Hands into the mat. Heel toe your feet in. Just a little bit wider than hip width distance. Fingertips are pressed into the mat. Now taking your right leg, taking it all the way on the outside of your left, dropping your knee down, sitting your body up, drawing your hips back, and crawling all the way over to the other side. Excellent. Sitting your hips down, dropping back. Excellent. Right foot coming all the way over to the left side. Knees are crossing, and just drop that right knee toward the ground. And then crawl, keep that deep squat. Left leg all the way over past your right, toes into the mat. Feel that stretch in your ankle as you drop your knee toward the mat. Excellent. One more time. Dropping it down. Excellent. Again, dropping it down for that stretch in your outer glute area. Excellent. As you sit your hips back. Excellent. Release. Coming back to that squat position. Now heel toe your feet, separating them from each other. Taking your hands to your hips. Inhale up. Excellent. Now taking your hands back behind you, interlacing your fingers if possible. Now drawing your body forward, allowing those interlaced hands and fingers to come up. Inhale, exhale. Bending your knees if possible. Exhale. Excellent. Keep it going. One more time, drawing your belly in. Exhale. Excellent. Release slowly. Round up, hands to your hips. Fold forward, placing both hands onto the mat. Sitting your hips down. Relaxing your body all the way down. Palms are turned up toward the sky. Relax your body. Inhale. Exhale. Kind of breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Bending up both knees. Toes are flexed. Heels are into the mat. Arms are wide. And just gently rock your knees from left to right. Inhale. Exhale. Knees together. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Bending up both knees into your chest. Rolling both knees over to your left or right side. Sitting up in a cross-legged position. Thank you so much. This was a quick morning stretch yoga routine, stretching all of the joints of your body, loosening your body, getting you prepared and ready for the day. Thank you again. My name is Carl Bright. Hit that like, please subscribe, and please share with anyone who you think can use a good morning stretch for a stiff body when they wake up in the morning. Thank you again, and namaste.